This is Ian Lamont, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides. I'm going to show you how to redeem an Amazon gift card on Amazon.com. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. So you may have a gift card, like a physical gift card that looks something like this. It's also possible you may get an electronic code in the mail that looks something like this. Regardless of whether it's a physical card or an e-card, Amazon e-card, what you need is this code. Once you have the code, do this. Go to the website, go to your account, tap account, and you'll see an option that says gift cards. There'll be an option here that says redeem a gift card. Don't do reload your balance, just redeem a gift card. Then what you're going to do is you're going to type or paste in that code. This is an example of a code, and then apply to your balance. In this case, this is a $50 code. So my current gift card balance, you can see it's $0. After I press this button, it will be $50. So that's how you set up your Amazon gift cards to redeem the gift card amount. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.